TikTok Lite direct message options not showing. 4 fix before you give up on 2026. So hey guys, to this video, so if your direct message option is not showing, for example right here, it's supposed to be here in your inbox, where for example if it doesn't show right here for your TikTok direct message, then yes, there's a problem. So sometimes for fix before you give up, guys, TikTok Lite doesn't always include every TikTok feature. So TikTok Lite is designed to use less storage and data than standard TikTok app. Because of this, some features in the full TikTok app may be limited or unavailable in certain versions or regions, including direct message. And second thing is your account doesn't meet TikTok message requirements. If you're underage, or your account has restricted message due to the settings, or your account recently been created and some features haven't been enabled yet. So, and the third thing is your privacy settings prevent messaging. So if you want, you can just go to your profile right here. There you can tap on the menu right here, and after tapping up for the menu right there for settings and privacy, wait, see, there you go. So some have what they call this settings and privacy right here. So once they click on settings privacy, they just need to tap on the privacy. Okay, there's no privacy on mine, but some has them. So you can just click on accessibility right there. Now put on dark mode. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, then you'll be able to select direct message. If the option is available, guys, make sure to set allow message. And number 4 is sometimes your app is outdated or experiencing bug. Sometimes the DM button disappeared because of an outdated version of TikTok Lite or temporary software issue. I suggest updating TikTok Lite from your device app store. Restart your phone, clear app cache, and reinstall the Lite if the problem still continues. But yeah, overall that's about it. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys video. If you have any final question concerns, type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.